How to change template size in Canva. So the first step is to simply open any templates. I'm gonna use this one here. And then what you're gonna have to do is simply click on file and then simply click on so you're gonna have to simply click on create new design here. And then you're gonna have to simply click on custom size. And then you're gonna have to simply enter a new size. I'm gonna enter this one here. Then I'm gonna click on create new design. Now the next step is to simply go to the current design and select all the images and everything and simply copy this and paste it right here in the new design, and basically that's all you have to do. Now of course you're gonna have to resize the images based on this new design, and basically that's all. So I really hope you found this video helpful. Don't forget to like and subscribe. Thanks for watching.